Welcome to Who Wins Reviews. The best Tough Box is probably one of the most versatile and indispensable tools for anyone who needs to transport or store gear, whether you're a DIY enthusiast, a professional tradesperson, or simply someone who enjoys outdoor adventures. This rugged container, often equipped with wheels for effortless mobility, promises to keep your valuable equipment safe from the elements and the rigors of travel, making it an essential addition to your toolkit or adventure pack. Number 5. DEWALT Rolling Toolbox DWST17820. Experience maximum storage volume with this innovative tool storage solution. Its unique telescopic handle design allows for a more upright storage position, maximizing your space. Opening and closing the handle is a breeze thanks to the convenient push-button mechanism. This ensures effortless storage when not in use. Transporting your tools is made comfortable with the bimaterial top handle. It's designed for a secure and ergonomic grip. Move your tools with ease on any job site. It features durable 7-inch wheels built to withstand tough conditions. Keep your tools safe and secure with robust, anti-rust metal latches. They are built for long-lasting durability and reliable closure. What we like. This rolling tool chest offers exceptional storage capacity, making it ideal for professionals who need to transport a large amount of tools. Its durable wheels and anti-rust latches ensure longevity and reliability. If you are a tradesperson or a serious DIYer who carries a lot of equipment, this is the robust solution you need. What people say. The wheels are sturdy and roll smoothly over various surfaces, making it easy to transport even when fully loaded. The lid latches securely, keeping the contents protected from dust and moisture. The interlocking design allows for stable stacking, maximizing storage space without worrying about them tipping over. Number 4. Life Story 6-Pack Heavy-Duty Stackable Storage Bin. Eliminate household clutter with these versatile, heavy-duty storage containers. They are perfect for organizing laundry, fun items, tools, and more throughout your home. Built from sturdy, solid plastic, these containers withstand frequent use without cracking or warping. Use them in the garage, utility room, closet, or office. Featuring a lightweight build with stackable functionality, you can stack multiple bins to maximize vertical space. Keep your storage areas neat and efficient. Ergonomically designed handles make it easy to move your container from room to room with minimal effort. Transporting your stored items has never been simpler. These lidded containers are not only practical but also offer a unique modern look. They enhance your home decor while serving all your everyday storage needs. What we like. These stackable bins are perfect for decluttering any home space, from garages to closets. The comfortable handles make them easy to move around. If you're looking for a versatile and space-saving solution to organize various household items, these bins will keep your living areas tidy and efficient. What people say. The wheels are sturdy and roll smoothly over various surfaces, making it easy to transport even when fully loaded. The locking mechanism is robust and keeps the contents secure during transit or storage. The lid has a built-in gasket that provides a good seal, protecting contents from dust and moisture. Number 3. Vaultz Locking Mobile Business Case. Introducing the Vaultz Locking Mobile Business Case, designed to protect and organize your important legal hanging files. It ensures your sensitive information remains private and secure, meeting HIPAA compliance standards. Enjoy convenient, keyless locking with its combination lock. This feature, combined with its trademarked Vaultz design, offers both security and a professional look. Crafted with premium quality chrome steel corners and aluminum trim, this storage chest is built to last. Its robust construction ensures your documents are well protected. Transporting your files has never been easier. Equipped with sturdy wheels and a telescoping handle, you can move even heavy loads quickly and with minimal effort. Stay organized with the built-in metal rails for legal-size hanging file folders. It also features a chrome label holder for easy identification and an organization panel for your supplies. What we like. This mobile business case offers secure, keyless access with its combination lock, ensuring your sensitive documents are protected. It's specifically designed to organize legal-sized hanging files and is HIPAA compliant. If you are a legal professional or anyone needing to transport confidential documents securely, this case provides peace of mind and organized mobility. What people say. The wheels are sturdy and roll smoothly over various surfaces, making it easy to transport even when fully loaded. The latches are strong and secure, keeping the contents protected from dust and moisture. The lid has a built-in gasket that creates a tight seal, ensuring excellent weather resistance. Number 2. Plano 108 quart Sportsman Trunk with Wheels. Introducing the Plano Sportsman Trunk with Wheels, your ultimate companion for storing and transporting gear. With a generous 108 quart capacity, it's perfect for all your needs. Crafted from high-impact plastic, this heavy-duty bin is built for durability. Its sturdy construction and molded grooves ensure reliable stacking, saving you valuable space. Travel with confidence thanks to its lockable design and airline approval. Tough latches and padlock tabs offer maximum security for your belongings, wherever you go. Whether it's for hunting, camping, or travel, this trunk is ready. Tie-down points offer stability during transport, ensuring your gear stays secure in trucks, boats, or planes. Moving your essentials is a breeze with its smooth, recessed handles and integrated wheels. Transporting your gear has never been easier or more comfortable. Despite its large interior capacity, it fits neatly into closets, attics, or garages. Its stackable design means it won't get crushed under weight, maximizing your storage efficiency. What we like. This large, lockable trunk is built for adventure and secure transport, even on airplanes. Its generous 108 quart capacity is perfect for extensive gear. If you're an avid hunter, camper, or traveler who needs to bring a significant amount of equipment safely and securely, this rolling trunk is your go-to choice. What people say. The wheels are sturdy and roll smoothly, making it easy to transport even when fully loaded. The lid latches securely and keeps the contents protected from dust and moisture. The stackable design saves space in my garage. Number 1. Plano Sportsman Storage Trunk. Introducing the Plano Sportsman Storage Trunk, your ultimate solution for on-the-go storage. It's perfect for tools, hunting gear, camping supplies, and more. Crafted from high-impact plastic, this trunk is built for durability. Its sturdy construction and molded grooves ensure it stands the test of time, while the reinforced lid adds extra strength. Keep your belongings safe and dry with its tough, lockable latches. This design ensures your loads are secure and protected from the elements. Whether in your closet, attic, garage, or even on a truck, boat, or plane, this trunk offers versatile storage. Tie-down points provide stability during transport. With generous interior dimensions, it easily accommodates bulky items. Plus, it's airline-friendly, making it ideal for all your travel needs. What we like. This heavy-duty storage trunk is built to withstand the elements and secure loads during transport, featuring tie-down points for added stability. Its durable construction ensures it stands the test of time. If you need a reliable, weather-resistant storage solution for outdoor gear or tools that can be securely fastened during transit in a truck, boat, or plane, this trunk is an excellent option. What people say. The wheels are sturdy and roll smoothly over various surfaces, making it easy to transport even when fully loaded. The locking mechanism is robust and keeps the contents secure during transit and storage. The lid has a gasket that provides a good seal, protecting contents from dust and moisture. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.